Ohaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m n'ọzọ bịakwana m ka esi ebe tata bụkwa n'oge okwu dị oke mkpa ka anyị nwee ike ikwu. So ụmụ nwanne anyị nwoke afịa bụ Rev Father Chidi Philip Prince Fide Obizi n'obodo oyibo unu ma onye ọ bụkwa. So enwere ihe m kwuru last time m kwuru okwu maka our reverend sister n'ikwu okwu maka ndị na-ame phone na-emega apị phone na church that made people to stop going to church. So and I said something na that video gwa m ọnụ si unu na m achọrọ m ikwu okwu maka mụ na have seen a topic that will make me to speak more on it. So because when can I be across our video for the first time, don't forget to share it, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like our video as well, because when we can and because when he got an video your opinion kabaro tia na comment section. So can I dive into the topic engineer no kitata. This Reverend Father said no phone addiction in the house of God. Stop turning the church into a selfie studio, videoing everything like you are shooting a Nollywood blockbuster. We start for this right up and 90% of churchgoers are guilty of it. 90%. Well, some akwamboso kagalaga first Sunday of the year. I don't know church no dynamis of obeli kambalo madam bani monoka. Of obeli kambalo madamba. This lady pigide she should be in her early 20s. 20, 21, 22. This lady pigide phone megide WhatsApp. Till almost okabido lebe 7 on kototo. Megide WhatsApp till almost by 11. For bele kambali amba mwejide show me because na onwe line the market ila aina hana abana da church. So odem konti edi lady here omba sasa kwa na meti na do kamba yuma go demba do kambali amba mwese mba kanjide she onwe meke. So the thing we bulu iwe na na mawadel no be. I wanted to make a video about it and say yuma go church kwa the thing bafu im nuche na so much thank God na Reverend Father to something like that. So the Reverend Father, this Reverend Father will continue working. One thing every Christian should stop doing during mass or service is using phone for no urgent reason, and especially videoing everything like you are shooting a Nollywood blockbuster. Seriously, if you have no reason to video, pocket that phone. Some people record almost everything from the beginning of the hymn to the final blessing and then never watched it again. Come on, what is the point? Are you building a YouTube channel or worshiping God? Maria Jena Church. I will a video. Man, this issue I one problem I know. A lot of people are not respected, but I respect. A lot of people are not respected because they respect. They have seen God as something they can use to climb up a ladder. A lot of people see God as a place illegal to climb up a ladder. Can you hear me like that? That na obro no na shrine kahano. Believe the canajela and kwaka or angel and canon. The only person permitted to video that in the chief priest. We can see video na monka mani video na this alosenke video nanka imanozi na that church nyanya with the greatest altar of all time. Maro no yanwa mani ye video nta video imomenka men cause we mele myself like that lady neko at a point to be do myself in a church. Nkwande mo worship and praise naga on he set a camera ka how we video ta themselves praying. Amount to a camera car we make that church media team is enough. I will need for making a video or need for making a picture in this service. Here for making another one. Imagine me a joker for complete 1 month, 4 Sundays in a month. They for making a video or a picture. No, it's a lie. It is a lie. So those things should stop. This is not necessary. God watches their hearts. Nobody he could say now where they are. Man, these people cannot. Most of them will go to banking hall. They cannot even use their phone to make call. Most of them will ever hire but meeting they may not even bring out their phone to make a call. Manona kununjo, my batononoka. That notice ebon akuno njokalia highest. Then this father was saying, we live in a world where phone has become every limb, but in church they can become your spiritual kryptonite. Scrolling WhatsApp meme, replying to good morning messages, checking Instagram Reel, or browsing TikTok while standing before the altar of God. That is not just disrespectful, it is downright absurd. Remember Moses, he took off his sandal before the burning bush because he was on a holy ground. Guess what? You are on a holy ground too when you step into the presence of God. Inside the church, phones distraction, gossiping in your WhatsApp chat, all that has to stay outside. If your Instagram, TikTok, or Niger gossip WhatsApp group are more important than kneeling before Jesus Christ, maybe check your priority. Some of us travel hours through traffic to get to mass only to stand there with eye glued to screen. God isn't impressed. In other words, no on akwana obuna that your WhatsApp group ya kalegima obuna that your WhatsApp ntamni moloko those things in eme ya kalegima. Stay close to it, and you have to also watch your priority, know where you stand. Because na Moses came to a time whereby God have to say Moses, remove your slander, because where you stand is a holy ground. When John was given the revelation about the things that are said to happen, God told him, John, write everything that I'm about to show you down. Also, John should go and type it. John beginning and write them down. So when you are writing all these things down, when you are typing, video, all those things again is a distraction, because we happen your data on a message that beginning that pop up there. The Rev Father will conclude by saying, we complain about corruption, poverty, and injustice, yet in church we ignore the most important connection we could have with God himself. Your phone notification can wait, but your soul cannot. Give God your focus, not your notification. Your soul, your family, and even the community will thank you. And if Moses could respect God's holy ground, surely we are in 2026. You can put our phone on silent for 1 hour, and if you can't stay more than 1 hour without your phone, you have a phone addiction. If you cannot stay 1 hour without him go peer phone or reply a message, that person may get out in where you can busy name hustle. Because now there are so many people knock it down now. They have like 3 phones. Some we can well cause name here go. Well cause name make again we need distract again to keep you busy and to keep him busy. We can call well ala lona ni ha ho name. And look what bully you. Unu megine ku ya bata no no ka. So biko obro nebo part of those people bukwani no na that group. That thing have to end in 2026. Kodoka numboza. Goodbye.